Welcome to an introduction to Surah Fussilat. The narrative begins not with a shout, but with the mysterious letters Hamim descending into the dark atmosphere of Makkah. The balance of power is shifting in Makkah after Hamza radiallahu ta'ala anhu accepted Islam. The chieftains of Quraysh watch the growing number of Muslims with dread. Alone in a corner sits the Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam, while a heavy silence hangs between the majority and the solitary messenger. Utbah bin Rabi'a approaches with a transactional compromise, assuming the message is a means to a worldly end. He offers wealth, power, and even medical care if the Prophet ﷺ is afflicted by a jinn. The Prophet ﷺ does not argue. He simply recites, Bismillah, Rahman, Rahim, Hamim. Utbah is stunned, physically pinned by the grandeur of the rhythm and the weight of the words. Utbah returns to the Quraysh, who remark that his face is transformed. He warns them, this is not poetry nor magic. Leave him alone. If he prevails, his victory is your victory. Allah does not dignify Utbah's offers with a denial. The surah bypasses the insults to expose the root of the rejection, stubbornness and arrogance. It is a critique of their psychology, not a negotiation of terms. The disbelievers proudly claim 3 barriers prevent them from hearing the truth: covers over their hearts, deafness in their ears, and a wall between them and the messenger. The surah reveals this claim of immunity as self-inflicted isolation. Realizing they cannot match the Qur'an's eloquence, the opposition employed a tactic. Do not listen to this Qur'an and make noise during its recitation. This campaign of noise aimed to shout down the truth and prevent the public from hearing the clear message. The objection raised was, why not a foreign tongue? The divine answer is that Arabic was chosen for clarity. Their rejection is based on arrogance, not linguistics. Had it been non-Arabic, they would have mocked that too. This is a historical warning. The people of Ad and Thamud had the mindset of, we are powerful and we are protected. They believed they were invincible, but were overtaken by a sudden, humiliating punishment. The noise of the Quraysh cannot stop the decree of Allah. To the oppressed early Muslims, Allah sends a promise. For those who say, Rabbuna Allah, and stand firm, angels descend upon them with good tidings. The believer has allies in the unseen. How does one break the wall of hatred? Not with force, but with superior character. The instruction is to repel evil with that which is better. The result is turning hostility into affinity, the highest moral victory. Maintaining high character is difficult. When shaitan whispers, inciting anger or the desire to retaliate with insults, the command is simple: seek refuge in Allah. Do not let the noise of the opposition disturb your connection with the divine. The prophecy states, we will show them our signs in the horizons and within themselves until it becomes clear to them that it is the truth. The restriction of today in Makkah will lead to the expansion of tomorrow. The world offers noise and transaction. The truth offers clarity. Our weapon is not fighting noise with noise, but with the silence of patience and the alchemy of good character. We must trust in the power of the message over the noise of the marketplace.